All right, y'all, first up, we're gonna hit it with 12 pounds of smoked sausage. Going with a little bit more sausage today because it comes in packs of 3s, and I usually use 10 pounds, so I use 12 pounds of smoked sausage. Brother Dallas, look at that. Time to get that sausage up out there. Ooh-wee, look at that. Huh? Something that looks good. Look at that, Brother Dallas. All right, Brother Dallas, now we're gonna hit it with 12 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We'll season it up with that Southern Boys love right there, y'all. You know, we're gonna hit it with a little Worcestershire sauce. Man, I want chicken. I like that black pepper. Gotta hit it with that black pepper. Now look at that. All that seasoning in there, Dallas, getting all cooked around. Cook that chicken there. It's time to get that chicken up out there. Ooh, man, look how pretty that is right there. We're here with 8 pounds of pork right there. Get pork in there. We're hit it with that little Lee and Perry right there, Brother Dallas. Ooh, then we're gonna hit it with that Dales. You gotta watch that Dales now. Now watch that Dales. Then of course, you know, we gotta hit it with that Southern Boys love right here. That quick mix around, look at that. Let's get that pork up out there. Man, look at that right there, huh? Man. Now there's 10 pounds of that Holy Trinity going in. Put down in there, show me that down there. See all that? Scraping that off there? That's all flavor coming off the bottom of that pot right there. Boy, some of some good stuff here today, boy. Check this out. Look at that Holy Trinity getting all cooked down. You see the peppers, the onions, the celery. Oh, it looks so good. All right, we'll knock that powder off a little bit there, Brother Dallas. Now we're going to hit it back with that pork. Add that pork back to it. Like that. Add that sausage back to it. And what we want to do, Brother Dallas, with that Holy Trinity, we're just going to cook that down some. All right, Brother Dallas, now we're going to add that water to it. That's 24 quarts of water going in. We got that water in there. We're going to hit it with a little garlic. Ooh, right there. Enough garlic. And we're going to hit it with 48 ounces of chicken stock. Now we're going to hit it with 2 bottles of that brown sugar water. Now get that a good stir around right there. Hey, and bring that to a boil. A little taste, see what it's tasting like. This is where we find out whether we need to add more salt, more pepper, what we need to get that flavor right. Definitely need some more salt. Definitely need some more salt, Brother Dallas. So we're gonna hit it with that sea salt. Hit it with that salt right there. And you know I like that pepper. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna dump the rest of that pepper in there. Like that. Then we're gonna bump it with that Southern Boys right here. Add a little Cajun spice to it. Like that. Now let's get that a good mix around right there, Brother Dallas. All right, Brother Dallas, got me a fresh spoon. Let's see what it's tasting like now. We added some salt, pepper, Southern Boys. That's it right there. Don't get no better than that right there, y'all. Time to add that rice. 15 pounds of rice going in. 10-gallon pot, 15 pounds of rice going in there. Look at that, brings it all the way up to the top. Now what we want to do when we do that, Brother Dallas, we just want to push it. We just want to push it a little bit. Make sure that rice ain't clogged up. We're going to push it like that. Just a little push back and forth, not much. We're just letting it set now, Brother Dallas, for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And we're going to add that chicken to it and do the first flip. I'm telling you, it's going to be a good jambalaya right here. Time for that first flip. So we're going to add this chicken back in there like that. That chicken was good too. All right, let me grab that paddle. All right, here we go, y'all. First flip. Ooh, man, look at that, look at that. Huh? Just look at that, boy. We're doing that final flip. We out here at Gateway Ford. It's where we brought the little 10-gallon jambalaya. Look at that. Man, don't that look good?
Yeah.
Man, huh?
Ooh, looking good, smelling good.
Man, that's going to be good right there. Mr. Buck Davis' retirement party after 41 years at Gateway Ford. Well, that's a wrap from Gateway Ford. Alan, what about it, man?
Yeah, thank you so much, Kenyon. We had a great turnout here today, all of our staff and former employees. Buck Davis has been here since 1983, 41 years he's been here. He's a staple in Ponchatoula. I want to thank you guys, you and Dallas, for coming out and cooking, and it was awesome, and we really appreciate you, not only as a customer, as a friend, and everything you've done for our community. Thank you.
All right, appreciate it. Hey, over and out from Southern Boys Outdoors, Gateway Ford, Ponchatoula, Louisiana.